Skirmishes between a lion and a tiger occur exclusively in captivity. In most cases, the instigator fights is a lion. But he starts such fights only with the Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger lives mainly in India. The Indians are lucky. Some nasty people even used to deliberately pit these animals against each other. In fights, the lion usually defeats the Indian tiger. But there are also cases when the lion loses. In Turkey, a Bengal tiger killed a lion with one blow. Here is this striped predator. Despite the fact that the Bengal tiger in its subspecies is medium in size, it sometimes manages to defeat the lion. Therefore, it is not so easy to determine which of them is stronger. The tiger has experience in fights with a very strong predatory beast, a bear. The most dangerous enemy of a lion is another lion. At first glance, lions and tigers may seem the same. To resemble a lion, the tiger lacks only a mane. Despite this, their essences are strikingly different. The tiger is a pure hunter. In addition to this, he is a lone hunter. It is difficult to call a lion a hunter. For example, look at how a tiger hunts. Look how the leopard hunts. Compared to a tiger or leopard, a lion's hunt looks like a parody. The lion is being fed by the lioness. The lioness is a real hunter. But even though the lion is not a super hunter, it's still a fighter. The whole point of his life lies in endless fights. The fact is that the lion is a defender of his female. defender of his territory. And so on. He spends his whole life in fights. And he ends his earthly journey also in a fight. The advantage of the tiger as a hunter is speed and agility. In fights with a tiger, the lion always gets more wounds. The advantage of a lion is its endurance. This suggests that in a fight, the lion is used to going to the last. Even to death, he definitely will not retreat. To say that the tiger is stronger than the lion would be foolish. And it would be foolish to say that the lion is stronger than the tiger. It is important to know one thing: none of these cats are afraid of each other. The outcome of any fight will depend solely on the personal qualities of each of these predators. In addition to the Bengal tiger, there's also the Amur tiger, which lives in the far east of Russia. In many countries, they also like to call it the Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger is the largest subspecies of all tigers. Next to him, the lion mostly behaves calmly and does not start fights. Perhaps there is some mental friendship between them, and therefore they do not fight. Animal experts say that the roar of a lion can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Tiger. Its furious roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Dear viewers, this is where we end our video. We wish peace to every human and every cat.